A DVD player is a device that plays discs produced under both the DVD video and DVD audio technical standards. Two different and incompatible standards. Some DVD players will also play audio CDs. DVD players are connected to a television to watch the DVD content, which could be a movie, a recorded TV show, or other content. The first DVD player was created by Sony Company in Taiwan in collaboration with Pacific Digital Company from the United States in 1994. Some manufacturers originally announced that DVD players would be available as early as the middle of 1996. These predictions were too optimistic. Delivery was initially held up for political reasons of copy protection demanded by movie studios, but was later delayed by lack of movie titles. The first players appeared in Japan in November 1996, followed by US players in March 1997, with distribution limited to only 7 major cities for the first 6 months. Players slowly trickled into other regions around the world. Prices for the first players in 1997 were $1,000 and up. By the end of 2000, players were available for under $100 at discount retailers. In 2003, players became available for under $50. 6 years after the initial launch, close to 1,000 models of DVD players were available from over 100 consumer electronics manufacturers. Fujitsu released the first DVD-ROM-equipped computer on NOV 6-in-GB. Toshiba released a DVD-ROM-equipped computer and a DVD-ROM drive in Japan in early 1997. DVD-ROM drives from Toshiba, Pioneer, Panasonic, Hitachi, and Sony began appearing in sample quantities as early as January 1997, but none were available before May. The first PC upgrade kits became available from Creative Labs, Hi-Val, and Diamond Multimedia in April and May 1997. In 2014, every major PC manufacturer has models that include DVD-ROM drives. The first DVD audio players were released in Japan by Pioneer in late 1999, but they did not play copy-protected discs. Matsushita first released full-fledged players in July 2000 for $700 to $1,200. DVD audio players are now also made by Iwa, Denon, JVC, Kenwood, Madrigal, Marantz, Nakamichi, Onkyo, Toshiba, Yamaha, and others. Sony released the first SACD players in May 1999 for $5,000. Pioneer's first DVD audio players released in late 1999 also played SACD. SACD players are now also made by Accuphase, Iwa, Denon, Kenwood, Marantz, Philips, Sharp, and others. Technical details. A DVD player has to complete these tasks. Read a DVD disc in ISO, UDF version 1.02 format. Optionally decrypt the data with either CSS or Macrovision. Read and obey the DVD's regional lockout codes and display a warning if the player is not authorized to play the DVD. Decode the MPEG-2 video stream with a maximum of 10 mbit per second or 8 mbit per second. Decode sound in MP2, PCM or AC3 format and output on stereo connector, optical or electric digital connector. Output a video signal, either an analog one on the composite, S-video, SCART, or component video connectors, or a digital one on the DVI or HDMI connectors. DVD players cannot play Blu-ray discs. However, most Blu-ray players are backwards compatible, and they will play DVDs, CD, DVD, AV, MP4 playback. Additionally, most DVD players allow users to play audio CDs and video CDs. A few include a home cinema decoder. Some newer devices also play videos in the MPEG-4 video compression format popular in the Internet. Portable players. Most hardware DVD players have to be connected to a television. There are portable devices which have an attached LCD screen and stereo speakers. Portable DVD players are often used for long road trips and travel. They often have a plug for the 12-volt power jack in cars. Some models have two screens, so that two people in the back seat can both watch the movie. Other portable DVD players have a single screen that opens up like a laptop computer screen. Output. Due to multiple audio output devices, there are many outputs on a DVD player, such as an RCA DAC component outputs, and an HDMI output. Consumers may become confused with how to connect a player to a TV or amplifier. Most systems include an optional digital audio connector for this task, which is then paired with a similar input on the amplifier. The physical connection is typically RCA connectors or Toslink, which transmits AS/PDIF stream carrying either uncompressed digital audio or the original compressed audio data to be decoded by the audio equipment. Video is another issue which continues to present most problems. Current players typically output analog video only, both composite video on an RCA jack as well as S-video in the standard connector. However, neither of these connectors was intended to be used for progressive video, so yet another set of connectors has started to appear, to carry a form of component video, which keeps the three components of the video, one luminance signal and two color difference signal, as stored on the DVD itself, on fully separate wires. The connectors are further confused by using a number of different physical connectors on different player models, RCA or BNC, as well as using VGA cables in a non-standard way. Even worse, there are often two sets of component outputs, one carrying interlaced video, and the other progressive, or an interlaced, progressive switch. In Europe, SCART connectors are typically used, which can carry composite and analog RGB interlaced video signals or Y/C, as well as analog 2-channel sound in automatic 4-3 or 16-9 switching on a single convenient multi-wire cable. The analog RGB component signal offers video quality which is superior to S-video and identical to YPBPR component video. However, analog RGB and S-video signals cannot be carried simultaneously, due to each using the same pins for different uses, and displays often must be manually configured as to the input signal, since no switching mode exists for S-video. Some DVD players and set-top boxes offer YPBPR component video signals over the wires in the SCART connector intended for RGB. Though this violates the official specification and manual configuration is again necessary. Component HDMI is a new digital connection for carrying high-definition video, similar to DVI. Along with video, HDMI also supports up to 8-channel digital audio. DVD players with connectors for high-definition video can upconvert the source to formats used for higher-definition video, before outputting the signal. By no means, however, will the resulting signal be high-definition video, that is, aside from optional deinterlacing. Upconverting generally consists of merely scaling the video's dimensions to match that of higher resolution formats, foregoing the scaling that would normally occur in the output device. Some DVD players include a USB video recorder. As well as such, there are also have DVD players with a USB port to be able to play digital media types as well as MP4, MP3, etc. Wireless connections are useful to manage wirelessly content from or to other devices. Prices. As of 2014 update, retail prices for such a device, depending on its optional features, start between $30 and $80 United States dollars per euro. They are usually cheaper than VCRs. Manufacture. As of 2002 update, the largest producer of DVD players is China. In 2002 they produced 30 million players, more than 70% of the world output. These producers have to pay $15–20 per player in license fees to the patent holders of the DVD technology, as well as for MPEG-2 licenses. To avoid these fees, China has developed the enhanced versatile disc standard as an intended successor of DVD. As of 2004 update, EVD players were only being sold in China. Sudan has the highest percentage of DVD players. Software DVD players are programs that allow users to view DVD videos on a computer with a DVD-ROM drive. Some examples are the VLC Media Player, 5K Player and M-Player, as well as WinDVD, Total Media Theater, Power DVD, Fluendo DVD Player and DVD Player, among others. There are variants and huge kinds of software DVD players, as well as multimedia player software which has DVD video playback capability. Whether it's proprietary type, freeware, shareware or just a free software are available in the market. Successes. There are successes to the DVD player, the HD DVD player and the Blu-ray disc player, utilizing two incompatible technologies that reproduce higher quality video images than standard DVD. On February 19, 2008, Toshiba, creator of the former technology, announced it would cease production on all HD DVD products, leaving Blu-ray as the high-definition successor to DVD players. Also, upscaling and upconverting DVD units are available that connect to televisions via a high-definition interface and increase the overall picture quality.